Welcome back to Just Speak Twi. If you've been following along, you've already built a strong foundation. Episode 1, we went over how to greet. In episode 2, we introduced ourselves. And in last week's episode, we learned how to say where you're from and where you live. Today, we're adding another essential skill for real conversation. How do you talk about what you do? Your job, your studies, or your daily work? Many receptive Twi speakers freeze at this point because the vocabulary feels intimidating. But we're keeping it very simple today, natural and beginner-friendly for someone who understands but is a bit nervous about speaking Twi. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say what you do and ask others about their work and respond confidently. As always, we are building from the previous episodes. Let's begin. Listen to the short conversation. Don't repeat yet, just listen. Ama, maha, yenya. What to say? Meho yo. Gaunso what to say? Nyame adom, nso meho ye. Abigail, ɛdeɛn na woyɛ wɔ New York? Mekɔ Lehman College. Mewɔ me second year. Na wo nso ɛ? Meyɛ adwuma wɔ Northwest Memorial Hospital. Oh, saa. Adwuma bɛn na woyɛ wɔ hospital hɔ? Mewɔ nutrition department. Mehwɛ patients aduane so. Na wo nso ɛdeɛn na wosua wɔ Lehman? Mesua finance. Meyɛ business major. Now I'll do this again, but slowly. Listen to the conversation. Ama, maha, yenya. Wo ho te sɛn? Me ho yɛ. Na wo nso wo ho te sɛn? Nyame adom, me nso me ho yɛ. Abigail, ɛdeɛn na woyɛ wɔ New York? Mewɔ Lehman College. Mewɔ me second year. Na wo nso ɛ? Meyɛ adwuma wɔ Northwest Memorial Hospital. Oh, saa. Adwuma bɛn na woyɛ wɔ hospital hɔ? Mewɔ nutrition department. Mehwɛ patients aduane so. Na wo nso, ɛdeɛn na wosua wɔ Lehman? Mesua finance. Meyɛ business major. Now, how did that feel? It is not unusual to hear ɛdeɛn na woyɛ or dɛn na woyɛ. What do you do? This isn't just your job title. It can be your work, your field, your trade, what you do in life. And so when you hear a question, dɛn na woyɛ, you can answer with, if you're a student, the school that you go to, mekɔ Lehman College, mekɔ high school. And it's okay to speak English with your Twi. You could say, Meyɛ sukuuni, I'm a person at school. Or you can say the school you attend. Mekɔ, insert your school. Meyɛ teacherni, I'm a teacher. Or you could say, Meyɛ kyerɛkyerɛni, I'm someone who teaches. It's okay. All of these are appropriate and they're natural. Mesua adeɛ. Meyɛ lawyer. Meyɛ doctor. Meyɛ nurse. Meboa nipa I help people. So let's practice a few key phrases. Dɛn na woyɛ? What do you do? Dɛn na woyɛ? Dɛn na woyɛ? Or if you want to ask specifically about someone's job, adwuma bɛn na woyɛ? Adwuma bɛn na woyɛ? Adwuma bɛn na woyɛ? Meyɛ suani. I'm a student. Or meyɛ student. Meyɛ adwumawura. Do you have your own business? Meyɛ mea m'adwuma. I work for myself. Meyɛ adwuma ma me ho. Meyɛ adwuma wɔ. Where do you work? Woyɛ adwuma wɔ he? Meyɛ adwuma wɔ. So today's question, dɛn na woyɛ? Universal, what do you do? If you're a student, if you work, and then to answer if someone says, dɛn na woyɛ? Meyɛ, fill in the blank. Meyɛ adwuma wɔ, or meyɛ. So you say one about yourself. I'm going to ask you now, dɛn na woyɛ? Now it's your turn to ask me. Meyɛ Twi. I teach Twi. That's my answer for today. And now for your confidence statement for today. Your work does not need to be perfect grammar to be understood. Your sentence does not need to be 100% Twi to be valid. Your clarity matters more than your accent. Many receptive Twi speakers hide their jobs or hide talking about themselves because they're afraid of mispronouncing a word. But Twi speakers, we are all used to variation. As long as we understand what you're saying, please try. Say this with me. Meka dia meyɛ wɔ Twi mu. Meka dia meyɛ wɔ Twi mu. Meka dia meyɛ wɔ Twi mu. I will say what I do in Twi. Meka dia meyɛ wɔ Twi mu. Your challenge for this week, I want you to record a short note saying what you do. And as always, we're building from the past. You start with your greeting, how you're doing, where you're from, your name, where you live, and what you do. Each week, your homework is getting a little bit longer because this is all about speaking the Twi you know. Now, if this is your first episode of Just Speak Twi, then your homework is very short. I want you to say your name, where you're from, and what you do. Me din de Abigail. Me free Bronx. Me Meyɛ Twi. And I want you to post it online if you feel comfortable doing so. Hashtag Just Speak Twi. Tag me at Abigail8Ose. Or if you're still shy about your Twi, record it and send it to one person that you trust, someone who will encourage you. Every time you speak, you're growing. I'll see you next week on Just Speak Twi. Just Speak Twi is a production of Amamere, a cultural platform rooted in language, tradition, and community within the African diaspora. All music used is from the public domain.